Hey everybody, check this out. They just added this to the Cricut design space. If you go over to settings in your Cricut design space and beside application experience, change it from live to beta, there's a new feature that they added into the design space. Now, if you do this, if you switch it over, it's going to update and reinstall it. But there's this new feature that they added. Let me show you. You type something in with a font, and there's up here you'll see wrap. You click on that, and there's a bunch of different designs you can pick from and customize your font a little bit. Pretty neat. And there's an adjustment bar here as well, so you can adjust it, spread it out. Pretty neat. So yeah, if you didn't know about this and switch over to the beta version, they added a wrap for text, so you can do a little more custom designing, mess with your designs a little bit more. Pretty neat.